Hey everyone! If you love scoring killer deals online but hate endless scrolling, this video is for you. We're diving into Honor's new AI-powered shopping tools on their Magic 8 smartphones. Announced October 15th, 2025, this launch is a game changer for how we shop and interact with our devices. I'll break it down using details from CNBC, PYMNTS, TechRadar, and Honor's official announcements. Let's jump in. The Honor Magic 8 series, from the Chinese tech giant Honor, features self-evolving AI. The YOYO Agent, an on-device AI assistant, is built right into their MagicOS software. It handles over 3,000 scenarios privately and speedily, without cloud data transfer. Imagine you're shopping for sneakers on Taobao or JD.com. With YOYO, snap a photo or ask it to find the best deal. It scans platforms, compares prices, and applies coupons. Demos show it saves users up to 20%. It's powered by a GUI AI model and integrates with Alibaba for Taobao and Tmall. YOYO handles the shopping, you approve payment. This could save hours and cash for bargain hunters, especially with Singles' Day approaching. YOYO isn't just for deals. It suggests restaurants from landmark photos or books taxis using your location. It can delete blurry photos or generate free AI videos using Kuaishou's Kling model. The Magic 8 Pro has a dedicated AI button. Long press during a video call, and YOYO pulls up info on what you're pointing at. Honor's investing over $10 billion in AI, betting we'll chat with phones instead of opening apps. YOYO is an upgraded AI agent that learns habits and handles complex tasks proactively across apps. Built into MagicOS 9.0, YOYO uses natural language processing and computer vision for over 3,000 scenarios. It remembers 950 habits, understands 600 plus intents, and plans 270 tasks automatically, keeping data private on device. YOYO works across third-party apps like Taobao, WeChat, and Mate1, thanks to an open AI ecosystem. Activate it via voice, the AI button, or when it detects a relevant scenario. Honor claims it automates 900 plus tasks with one command. Let's look at some scenarios. From demos and press releases, here are standout examples across daily life, work, and fun. Everyday life scenarios. YOYO combines computer vision with habit learning to predict and execute tasks. For hand-free food ordering, say YOYO, get me my usual coffee, and it handles the entire process, including payment. Honor's CEO ordered 2,000 coffees with one command in a demo. For smart shopping, snap a product pic and YOYO scan sites for the best price, coupons, and even bargaining phrases. It autofills forms and checks out, perfect for Singles' Day. Early Buzz calls it a revolution for impulse buyers. For subscription management, tell it to cancel and use subscriptions, and it identifies, notifies, and unsubscribes with one tap. It can also delete blurry screenshots or generate free AI videos from your clips. Work and productivity scenarios. YOYO integrates with email and calendar to break down big tasks. For expense tracking, YOYO pulls receipts, tallies costs, generates reports, and drafts emails, respecting privacy. It can convert PDFs to Word or autocomplete forms using your stored information. From your inbox, it can draft business emails about project updates, pulling key details from threads. During video calls, long press the AI button for YOYO Video Call to get real-time info or suggestions on what's on screen. Fun and creative scenarios. YOYO also helps with travel planning, booking rides, suggesting itineraries, or generating video highlight reels. For content creation, it edits clips, adds AI effects, and exports videos from your vacation pics. YOYO self-evolves by learning from your usage. It's China first on the Magic 8 series, with global rollout teased for 2026, and it's privacy-focused. YOYO could make phones truly agentic. What scenario would you try first? Like and subscribe for more AI deep dives. The Magic 8 Pro features a 200-megapixel ultra-night telephoto camera with AI anti-shake, making zoomed shots 7 times crisper. The AI Mage system boosts clarity and stability, and its self-evolving smarts adapt over time. Honor is also teasing a robot phone concept with an AI-powered fold-out camera arm for 2026. Honor aims for the top spot, currently holding 13% of China's smartphone market, behind Apple and Huawei. Honor's product president, Fei Fong, aims for top 3 by year-end, predicting a shift from apps to AI portals. This heats up competition with Apple in China. Honor is strong in Europe and works with Google for AI overseas, hinting at global rollout. The buzz on X calls it a revolution for lazy shoppers, highlighting the practical shopping benefits. This feels like the future, phones that actively make life easier. The Magic 8 is rolling out in China, with global vibes to follow. Would you let AI hunt your deals? Comment below, like, and subscribe for more tech breakdowns. Thanks for watching.